Okay, let's replace the pollen filter in the cabin of the car. So the access to this is in the passenger footwell. So you see this foam cover. It can be quite fragile. I tore this a little bit. So you pull down the edges from the front, and there are also two plastic screws that hold it up. So then that will all lift down once you undo those. Now at the right hand side beside the center console there's a cover which you slide to the left and pull down. You can see the way the plastic teeth are that keep that up, and there's your air filter. So you just pull it down and do it nice and gently so that all the rubbish that's in there doesn't come flying out and cover the car and cover you. So you can see how much stuff is in there. There it is. So here's the replacement, a Bosch part. Take it out, you see how white that is. I'll give you a side-by-side comparison of the new versus the old. Nice and clean, full of crap. Now the Yeti isn't actually listed on the paperwork, but it is the right part and it does fit. So it's just a matter of sliding it up into the slot and then replacing the cover, so just whenever you get your hands on it. Again, so offer it up, push it up and slide it right, and that will be locked in position. And then the most time consuming bit is getting this back on. So just push all the edge back up in under the trim and put the clips back in, and that's you done.